sama sa ginaingon nga kinahanglan protektado ang atoang mga bata nga kuan moadto sa eskwelahan. Ang among gihawag ang mga ginikanan nga to make sure that their kids are really protected. Wala man taningon nga kinahanglan jud mandato siya, but we encourage kay lami mang isip usa ka ginikanan pod kanang confident ka nga mopadala ko sa akong anak nga I know that she is protected because she is vaccinated. Ngana ba nga always po siyang naasay dalang kaugalingon niyang alcohol, naasay dalang kaugalingon niya nga mga face mask just in case maputol.
And we wanted them to be protected from the infection. That's why we are very particular about vaccination. We are encouraging, in fact, our parents to have their children vaccinated because in Dumaguete City, we have very poor turnout of vaccination rate among children as per record of the City Health. Today, we are continually encouraging our parents through our teachers for additional protection because it would be better that our children will get vaccinated to gain additional protection from infection. Although vaccination is not mandatory, we accept children with or without vaccination. We do not even put them in segregation, meaning to say, dili na mo tapokon ang gibaksin, dili sa tapokon ang walay vaccine. They will be put together, but we will implement strictly the so-called observance of basic protocols. Pero kinahanglan gihapon nato nga ang atong mga ginikanan mo decide as soon as possible time